Happy Friday. This is Sunshine Empress, and I am doing Why Are You Single? What is blocking you in love? And let's see what the cards have to say, what Spirit wants to say. Okay, so the first card, it has, let me cover this up. It says X only. Either you or your partners only want intimacy. I'm going to say that. Except that is okay or reach for more. Then it says comparison. Comparing is unfair. Leave the past behind and see your new love for who they are. And then you also have self-neglect. You are neglecting your own needs in your relationship. Practice self-care. I feel like once you get into a relationship, you totally forget about the fact that you used to go out. Oh, shoot, you got a couple more cards. It says need rescuing. You are waiting for love to save you, but you must stop waiting and start looking. It says not being you. You are trying to project a perfect image, but it's not really you. Be yourself. There's only one you, even with twin situations. Your fingerprint is so unique. You are you. You're special. Okay. It says insecurities. Work on building your confidence and feeling safe in the relationship. In your relationship, you need to work on your self-confidence. It says being guarded. You're lonely because you're aloof. Trust others and let them into your heart. Ask God for discernment and confusion. You don't know what you want and you need clarity before you get involved. So a lot of times you are left in a confused state. And I think it's with the first card that came out, this one, where there's just intimacy, pretty much no strings attached. The fact that you might get entangled in those type of connections and you're not clear on what it is that you actually want from that connection, but you're also neglecting yourself. You're neglecting possibly because of previous situations. You have this wall up and you possibly attract people who are maybe avoidant, who are emotionally unavailable. And then it also says being a victim. You feel helpless to change your love life, but you can't change whatever you want. But you can change whatever you want. So it's almost like you have this like victim mentality. Maybe you're constantly telling yourself the same thing. Oh, I don't deserve love. And it really kind of pairs into the insecurities. It's almost like you're kind of self-sabotaging yourself. You're waiting to be rescued, but you yourself can rescue yourself by first changing your thought patterns, changing your mindset. I definitely feel as if you need to take some time to work on yourself. Collective, whoever this message is for, take some time because you are guarded. The fact that you've probably been in situationships that has only left you feeling as if you're constantly being compared to other people, and the fact that you're confused. Let's just see what the spirit want to say. What message the spirit want to say. Thank you, Buddha. It says soulmates. Yes, this person is your soulmate. Your connection is sacred. That's a card that fell on the ground. I want to get one more. It says overthinking. Playing negative scenarios in your head is creating issues which weren't there at first. So stop overthinking. Like I said, you self-sabotage. And this is coinciding with what I was saying. You self-sabotage your connections and you're not clear on what you want. You need to be very clear on your intentions, clear on what you will and will not tolerate, and stop bringing the past relationships into the new current connections. And if you know they only want situationships, they only want connections where there's no strings attached, and that's not something that you desire, get the hell on, okay? All right, collective. I just wanted to go ahead and send you that little brief message on what's blocking you in love and why you're still single. All right. If this message resonates, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment in the chats. Let me know if this resonates. I'm sending lots of love, peace, and prosperity. Bye.